guys, hope you're doing a very good job. I think so. Okay, in this video, we're gonna discuss about the applications of software. This is the second video in our playlist. In the first video, I have explained about introduction to the software engineering. If you haven't watched that video, get back to the playlist and watch the video. And before the applications of software, we're gonna discuss about software products. What are the general products which are being available in the market? We all know what is a software product or product. The end product which is going to be delivered to the client to meet their features, to meet their demands, or you can say. So generally these software products are mainly divided into two types. One is generic and another is customized product. And the first one is generic products. These are the products which are developed by organization which are sold to open market. Okay, open source market. That means everyone can download this software to use in the service of them, like a WhatsApp, Facebook, which can be used by anyone. Customized products. These products are also developed by organization, but these products will be only suitable to specified customers. Okay, it is not useful for everyone. It's just used by some specific customers. Like if you take an example like library management system for a college, we all know developing a software for managing a library, and a shopping mall management system like how many employees were been there, how many hours they have been working. For managing these things, managing whole shopping mall, we can develop a one software, but it is not useful for someone who is walking into the shopping mall as a customer, right? He don't have any use of that. So they are called customer products and generic products. Generic products are used by everyone in the world, or just a common man can use it. Whereas a customer products, they are just useful for a certain circle of people. That's it. And now we will get into the applications of software. As the first application of software, we can say these types of softwares. Even we can mention them as types of softwares also. First type or applications of software or system software. System software is a collection of programs. Okay, collection of programs to serve other programs. Here I'll be explaining with the example. Okay, compiler. If you take a compiler, we all know why our compilers are used to run a program, to debug a program, right? Even compiler is a program, is a set of program. It has been executed with set of programs. Like for debugging, you will be having some set of programs in the compiler. For running a program, there will be some set of programs in the compiler. And for even for error finding, okay, for finding the errors, you will be having some programs. So these all set of programs are useful to run other programs, right? Here we are getting a help from other programs to execute other programs, right? So that's the meaning of system software. And application software, it's just a lone software. It's just a lone software, doesn't take any help, or it doesn't reside anywhere, doesn't take any help from the outside external sources. It just resists like alone, and useful for solving some specified problems. Like if you say point of sale transactions, like we all know what are some point of sale transactions, right? Okay, now scientific softwares. These softwares are generally, we can say that they have been used for making predictions. What type of predictions, you may ask, right? Weather predictions. We have been seeing Google has been giving a daily weather report a day before. And wind predictions, when a game is going on, we can see some organizations have been giving wind predictions before the match or during the match too. So scientific softwares are being used, employed like that. And embedded softwares. embedded softwares are being reside in a product to provide some control and features of that product. Like if you take a washing machine keypad, there will be many features available in it according to the customer, according to the user, right? If they want a quick mode, they can go for a quick keyboard to set it, and these settings are called as embedded software, like a quick mode, late mode, baby care mode. Many things will be available in the dry cleaning mode, and even the new washing machines are capable of drying the clothes in it too. So these are many features. To handle that features, we have been initializing some embedded softwares in it to provide the control over that features. That's it with the embedded softwares. And web applications, we all know what web apps can do. uh, it serves the customers with the using of servers, local servers, by using internet. We all know YouTube and Twitter have been handled by the web apps. And artificial intelligence softwares, like the softwares which makes to be behave like a human, like a voice recognition. We will be saying hey Siri, then uh, a pop-up will be coming on, and it will be serving according to our demands, and hey Google, right? And legacy softwares, these softwares are the one which need to be updated continuously, right? There will be some softwares which needs to be updated continuously, like I've given one here, one example, stock exchange management app. Yeah, here the to ratings, or the sensex which we call it, it's going to be continuously changing minute by minute. We have to update that data in it. If not, you will not be meeting the needs of your customers. So it has to be continuously updated. So these type of softwares are called legacy softwares. Hope you have enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Stay with the playlist. Thank you guys. Bye bye.